In this iMan Cave tutorial, we're going to look at how to upgrade firmware for the Osee GoStream Duet 8 ISO. Let's get in there. Steps you ought to take. 1. Use a suitable SD card. Any known brand will do. Sony, Lexar, Professional, Pro, Upgrade, Toshiba, Panasonic, Samsung, Genuine, SanDisk Extreme or Extreme Pros, PNI, Kingston, etc., etc. V30 at least. A V60 or V90 would be better, but really there's not much difference. Be sure to format the card to exFAT, not FAT32. This is important as later you won't be limited to the 4 GB file sizes. So on a PC you can format like this. First, insert the SD card. In Explorer, right click and select Quick Format and exFAT as the format. Click Format and in a few seconds it's done. Alternatively, on the Duet 8 ISO itself, you can click on the menu button, press the menu button. On the dial, twist the dial to scroll down to settings, press the dial, select disk format. The next step you need to undertake is to go to the Osee website to download the latest firmware file. There will be a link in the description, I'll put it in there. Download the firmware. Then you need to extract the firmware files. Okay, go to where you downloaded the file and click on Extract All. Copy the .bin and the .md5 files to the root directory of the SD card. And then eject the card. Right click on the drive name and select eject. This is in Windows, of course. The next thing we're going to do is actually apply the firmware to your device. First step, very important, with the Duet 8 powered off, insert the SD card carefully with the contacts facing upwards, i.e. the label facing downwards. This is different to other Duet and Osee GoStream Deck devices, so be sure you have the contacts facing upwards. Slip it in, power on the device and wait. The complete process may take up to 5 minutes. You will see the program and preview buttons flashing red, and slowly, one by one, they'll turn to flashing green. It'll take time, so let it do its thing until all lights are flashing green, at which point the device should be ready to reboot itself. It will reboot itself, and again, give it time to fully reboot. The reboot sequence may take a further 1 to 2 minutes. Once rebooted, and just for good measure, power off and power on again, another minute or so, and then you're good to go. To check the upgrade has been successful on the Duet 8, press the menu button, scroll down using the knob to settings, click and check the version number, and you should see that the version number coincides with the latest firmware that you've just been installing or updating. All good to go. If this video has been useful to you, there are plenty more to come. Please nudge that algorithm and like and subscribe the video. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notifications of our next videos. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to write them down below. Many thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.